We complain about the weather constantly. Headaches, pressure swings, magnetic storms. But does the weather really mess with your body, or is it mostly in your head? By the end of this video, you'll understand where real biological effects end and exaggeration begins. The real question is, can weather truly affect human health? And if so, how? Earth's magnetic shield. Let's start with something real. Earth has its own magnetic field, generated by movement of molten iron in its outer core. This geomagnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, life would look very different. Mars, for example, lacks a strong global magnetic field, and much of its atmosphere was stripped away by solar wind. But Earth's shield isn't perfect, and that's where magnetic storms enter the story. What a magnetic storm actually is. When solar flares or coronal mass ejections erupt from the sun, they release streams of charged particles into space. This is known as solar wind. When those particles reach Earth, they disturb the geomagnetic field. These disturbances can disrupt satellites, radio communication, and power grids. But do magnetic storms cause heart attacks? This is where things get complicated. Some studies show correlations between geomagnetic activity and increases in cardiovascular events. But correlation is not the same as proven causation. Yes, the human body contains iron, but it is chemically bound in hemoglobin. It does not behave like a metal magnet. The idea that magnetic storms pull on your blood is an oversimplification. Sensitivity may exist, but the exact biological mechanism remains debated. What we understand much better is atmospheric pressure. The atmosphere is literally pressing on you. Here's something astonishing. Every square centimeter of your body experiences about 1 kilogram of atmospheric pressure. In total, that's roughly 10 to 15 tons of air pressing down on you at all times. The atmosphere is literally pressing on you. Here's something astonishing. Every square centimeter of your body experiences about 1 kilogram of atmospheric pressure. In total, that's roughly 10 to 15 tons of air pressing down on you at all times. Why aren't you crushed? Because internal pressure inside your body balances it. But when atmospheric pressure changes rapidly, your body has to adapt. And adaptation can feel uncomfortable. Cyclones, anticyclones in your body. A low-pressure system is called a cyclone. A high-pressure system is an anticyclone. Low pressure often brings clouds and humidity. Some people report fatigue, headaches, or sleepiness during these shifts. High pressure brings dry, stable air, which can worsen symptoms in people with asthma or cardiovascular conditions. Here the mechanism is clearer. Pressure changes can influence oxygen exchange and vascular tone. But biology isn't the whole story. Here's the uncomfortable truth. People who are more anxious or stress-sensitive tend to report stronger weather-related symptoms. Expectation itself can amplify perception. That doesn't mean it's imagined. It means the brain plays a role in how the body interprets environmental signals. Weather influences us, but it does not control us. We are biological organisms shaped by our environment, light, temperature, pressure. But magnetic storms affect satellites more than your bloodstream. Atmospheric pressure, weather can shift how you feel. But it does not dictate who you are or how you function. Understanding the mechanism is the best way to separate science from myth.